tell me who you are and what is your business?
Um, well, right now I'm the acting executive director for the Children's Shelter here in Lawrence, and we provide residential care for youth, and then we also have several prevention services in the area of truancy as well as specialized case management, and then we provide family foster, adoptive, and kinship care. And then we have another program that serves like a 25 county East region that is family services, where we work with families to help them not have their children come into state custody.
So, how is the Children's Shelter adapting to COVID-19?
I would say probably our greatest challenge right now is being able to balance safety with normalcy for all those that we serve within our residential here in Lawrence, and as well guide our families who are struggling and already were struggling prior. So helping them just find that sense of calm within what you would call a storm. And for our youth, it's even more challenging because their ages most times 12 and above, and trying to keep them on a good emotional track as they heal from the trauma they've already been exposed to. And now we have something additional to add to it to try and keep them connected with their families and feel that their families are safe and being cared for. Those are our greatest challenges in COVID, not to mention our staff, who step up and come to work every day. We are an essential business. And staff have their own families and sacrifices they make in order to come and work and serve.
So, how can people support the Children's Shelter right now and in the future?
I think right now, any folks who know of people who work at the Children's Shelter, just encourage them daily to keep the fight and assure them that somehow we're going to get through this together. And we do have an ask on our Facebook page, trying to look for ways to increase our financial and sustain, because we are operating in our residentials at 50% capacity in order to comply with the recommendations from the CDC, KDHE, Douglas County Health Department, and the World Health Organization for the social distancing. And I think that probably needs to be lifted out as another challenge we have with our residential facilities is, again, that's that balancing normalcy and safety.
So, have you made any new partnerships during this time?
I think what we've learned from this is the Douglas County Human Service Coalition is a pretty phenomenal resource, and how people come together. And the Unified Command Center, they have been so responsive and helpful. So I think in Douglas County Health Department, even though we've had those potentially as partners, we've really been able to see that action in play that, again, just shows Lawrence is a unique community and how they support and help each other. And all the chamber newsletters that come out and ways that we can figure things out has been extremely helpful. So I just need to add, I just became the acting executive director on March 6th. So I was the assistant director prior. So this has really been good for me.
Yeah, yes, trial by fire for sure.
That would be correct.
Yeah. Well, you mentioned,
but we have a great group of staff. I just need to say that, and a board who is supportive, and we're right there together trying to fight the good fight.